Yung nga.
Okay, nakakuha agad ng Happy House. Makikisuyo po ako dito sa bench ng Happy House. Makisuyo lang po. Kuya, dito tayo para kita ko. Usad kayo doon. May usad kayo. Upo kayo, upo kayo, upo. Para makita ko. Yun, 2 points. First point para sa Happy House. Foul. Pushing foul by number 30. First personal foul, first team foul. Three. Blocking foul by number 28, 29. First personal foul, first team foul. Foul. Foul by number 08. Shot clock 10. Traveling. Rebound by number 30. Pass to number 1. Same ball. Shot clock 18. Shot clock 10. Shot clock 9. 9 seconds to shoot. Two points para kay number 15. Rebound by number 1. Number 1, steal. Rebound by number 30. Pass to number 1. Number 1, no look pass to number 15. Rebound by number 13. Shot block. Eto na mga taga-Happy House. Number 19. No good. Rebound by number 15. Lifting violation. Official score 5-2 in favor of Happy House. Time remaining 5 minutes and 15 seconds. Number 8 to number 3. Pass to number 19. Shot clock 14. Hayop, no good. Rebound by number 4. Mendoza. Rebound by number 1. 2 points by number 1. 5-4. Number 8. Pass to number 29. Rebound by number 30. Pass to number 4. 2 Postas.
Time out.
Pushing foul by number 20. Pinagtipunan. Shot clock 10. Number 30. No good. Rebound by number 4. Number 4, 2 points. Change favor. Number 8. number 3. No good. Excuse me po. At number 8. Pass to number 28. Shot clock 14. Number 8. Out of bounds. Turnover. Time remaining 3 minutes and 25 seconds. Tosas, number 13. Pass to number 4. Mendoza. Mendoza. No look. Rebound by number 30. Shot clock 14. Foul. Foul by number 28. First personal foul. Third team foul. Number 13. Traveling. Time remaining 2 minutes and 47 seconds in first quarter. Number 8. Rebound by number 1. Number 1 to number 13. Paid away. 2 points para kay number 13. Number 8. Shot clock 14. Pass to number 3. Back to number 8. 10 to shoot. Tumama na. 14. Shot clock. No good. Rebound by number 30. Number 30. Pass to number 13. 2 points. Number 3 to number 26. Shot clock 14. Number 8. Number 8. Shot clock 10. Out of bounds. Substitution. Time remaining 1 minute and 31 seconds. Number 1 behind the back. Between the legs. Foul. Foul by number 3. Number 3. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Number 13. Shot clock 14. Steal by number 19. Number 19. No good. Out of bounds. Time remaining 48 seconds. 48 seconds. "45 seconds. Number 30, pull up. No good. Basket plus a foul. Foul by number 26. Time remaining 36 seconds. 36 seconds. Penalty na yun. Wala na. Complete by number 15. Number 22. 30 seconds. 25 seconds. Shot clock 14. Out of bounds. 21 seconds. 21 seconds. 20. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Blocking foul by number 28. Number 12 to number 24. Steal by number 22. Number 22. No look pass to number 3. 2 points para number 3. Napakaganda na pasa na yun. Steal by number 22. Foul. Foul by number 24. Number 24, first personal foul. First team foul. 2 shot para number 22. No good. Last throw para kay number 22. Pasok ang pangalawa. Hindi, isa lang po, isa lang ang pumasok. Number 30. To number 22, knock on. Shot clock 14. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Ayun na, agaw na. Eto na, si number 19. Number 19. Uli. Naagaw uli. Number 22. Shot clock 14. Number 3. No good. Rebound by number 26. Shot clock 10. Number 28. Foul by number 30. First personal foul, second team foul. Shooting 2. First throw is good para number 28. Second throw para number 28. Substitution, 2 for 2 para ka number 28. 0-3 in, number 3 out. Number 18 to number 12. Number 12. Naitawid ang bola para ka number 18. Shot clock 14 para sa mga nakaitim. Shot clock 10. 2 points para ka number 30. Official score, 17-10 in favor of Pinagtipunan pa rin. Number 19. No good. Rebound by number 12. No on. Pass to number 18. No good. Rebound by number 28 to number 22. Eto na si number 22. Number 22. Pass to number 28. Shot clock 14. 22. Shot clock 10. Still na. Nakakuha ni number 12. Number 12. To number 30. No good. Rebound by number 24. Number 18. No good. Shot clock 10.
Go, go, go! Bigay!
Nakakuha ni number 23.
Bigay, bigay, bigay!
0-3 to number 22.
Magulog, magulog, magulog!
Number 22 to number 28. Number 28. 2 points para number 38.
Ayun na, ayun na, ayun na!
Number 12 to number 24. Number 24, half step, no good. Rebound by number 26.
Bigay, bigay!
Kaya pa na si number 22. Ganda ng pasa. No good. Rebound by number 18. Mr. Kalmado man. Turnover. Time out. Number 3 to number 22. Number 22. Pass to number 28. Number 28. Steal by number 1. Number 1 to number 21. Uy, steal by 03.
Tapat, tapat, tapat!
Eto na, number 03. Ay, no good. Rebound niya ulit. 2 points para ka number 03. Tatlo na lang po ang hinahabol ng mga Happy House. Will steal by number 22 to number 26 to Bell. Isa na lang po ang hinahabol. Mga taga Happy House. Pass to number 4. Number 4.
Huli na. Lalim,
Pass
crack.
to Mendoza. Number 1. Shot clock 14. Number 15. Step back. Tumama. Rebound by number 20. Number 28. Binabantay ni number 1. To number 22. Number 22.
Bigay log.
Number 22. Foul. Foul by number 1. Shot clock 16.
Down, down.
0-3. Shot clock 14.
Jump, libre. Jump.
Shot clock 10.
Nice jump.
No good. Rebound ni number 28. No good pa rin. Rebound ni number 13. To number 4. Rebound by number 4.
Run, run na.
Larry steal ni number 13.
Kulang isa, kulang isa. Takbo,
2
takbo.
points.
Kulang isa yan, pre. Kulang isa, kulang isa. Kulang isa.
Turnover. Substitution. Time remaining 2 minutes and 29 seconds.
Dos. Oshie.
Eto na si number 03. Number 03. Floater. Rebound by number 4.
Ilalim.
Number 4. Outlet pass to number 21. 2 points for number 21. Official score 21-16. 2 minutes. Number 28. Number 28. Pass to number 22. Number 22. No good. Rebound by number 30. Behind the back to number 13. Number 13. No good. Outlet pass to number 22. Number 22. 2 points for number 22. 1 minute and 30.
Sobra.
Number 4. Number 4. Spin move. Pop fake. No good. Out of bounds. Substitution. Time remaining 1 minute and 20 seconds.
Jump, takin, jump.
Jam
Takin to. Takin. Okay. Number 03.
Open, Josh.
Time remaining 1 minute and 2 seconds. Number 03.
Ayun, Josh, oh.
Black ball. Time remaining 54 seconds. 54. 54 seconds.
Let's alis kayo dyan.
50 seconds. Foul. Foul by number 32. 23 pala. Time remaining 45 seconds. 45. Shot clock 15. Number 30. No good. 40 seconds.
Takbo.
Number 03, pull up, no good. 30 seconds.
Ayun na, Clark.
Behind the back. No look pass. No good. 20 seconds. Steal.
Na, tatlo. Lay na, sa'yo na.
15 seconds. No good.
Isa pa, tatlo.
10 seconds. quarter. Rebound by number 4. Pass to number 15. No good. Rebound by number 26. Pass to number 29. To number 08. Number 08. Wala daw. Ayun, put back by number 26. 2 points para kay number 26. Isa na lang po ang hinahabol. Number 4. Number 4. 3 points. Taas sabat ang Kalamangan. 2 points para kay number 29. Baba sa dalawa. Number 13. Steal by number 19. Pass to number 08. Deadlock na po tayo. Deadlock na. Turnover. Time out. Number 29. 2 points. Change favor. 2 points by number 29. Foul. Foul by number 12. Oh. Pasok ang una para kay number 08. Wala ang pangalawa. Black ball. Number 30. Number 30. Ay, traveling yan. Huling-huli ka. Nalagyan ka na. Foul. Foul yan. Foul by number 12. Sa black. 2 shot para ka number 29. No good. Ano next game natin yan? No good. Rebound by number 26. To number 08. Ball fake. No good. Rebound by number 15. Pass to number 13. To number 4. No good. Number 08. Number 08. Left hand. No good. Rebound by number 19. Foul. Foul by number 29. Pushing foul by number 29. Number 29, third personal foul. Substitution. Number 28 in. Number 29 out. Number 12, crossover. Number 18. Pinasa sa gilid. No good. Shot clock 14. So number 15, foul. Foul by number 3. Shooting 2 para kay number 15. Time remaining 4 minutes and 34 seconds. Pasok ang una para kay number 15. Substitution, 2 for 2 para kay number 15. Time remaining 4 minutes and 35 seconds. Number 22. Isa na lang ang hinahabol ng mga taga-Pinagtipunan. Number 19. No good. Rebound by number 15. Steal. Steal by number 22. Number 22 floater. No good. Rebound by number 12. Pass to number 18. Steal. Puna naman para kay number 22. Foul. Foul by number 18. Substitution. Number 1 in. Number 2 out. Number 13 in. Substitution. Number 03 in. Number 19 out. 2 shot para kay number 22. Time remaining 3 minutes and 39 seconds. No good ang unang throw para kay number 22. Another one, wala pa rin. Number 30. 8 seconds violation. Number 22. Pass to number 03. 03 to number 22. Back to number 03. Shot clock 14. Number 22 floater. No good. Rebound nyo ulit. Shot clock 10. Rebound by number 4. Steal by number 03. 03. Shot fake. Black ball. Time remaining 2 minutes and 36 seconds. Eto na, number 15. Speed move, number 15. Number 15. Pass to number 1, Mendoza. Shot clock 14. Pass to number 15. Rebound by number 30. 2 points. Good back. Change favor ulit tayo. Lamang na ng isa ang mga taga-Pinagtipunan. Number 22. 2 minutes. Steal by number 1. Mendoza. 2 points para kay Mendoza. Taas sa 3 ang kalamangan. 1 minute and 45 seconds. Pass to number 22. Number 28. Number 22. No good. Rebound by number 3. Pass to number 03. No good. Foul. Foul by number 22. Substitution. Time remaining 1 minute and 17 seconds.
Galing.
Shot clock 14. 1 minute. Shot clock 10. Steal. Number 5. Pass. 2 points para number 03. Time remaining 49 seconds.
Check.
40 seconds. Rebound by number 30. 2 points para number 30. 30 seconds.
Bigay ito, bigay. Bigay na, bigay.
20 seconds. 15. 2 points para number 4. 10. 5. 3 points. Resume the ball game. Napakaganda ng laban. 2 lang. number 13. Shooting 3 para kay number 23. Shooting 3. No good ang unang throw. Second throw para kay number 23. Second throw is no good para kay number 23. Last throw para kay number 23. No good pa rin. 3 straight misses para kay number 23. Number 1, Mendoza. Paso, Posas. No good. Rebound by number 08. Outlet pass to number 5. Turnover. Pinagtipunan ball. Number 1. Number 1. Iniwanan. Pass to number 30. No good. To number 1. No good. Rebound by number 29. Bitawan. Substitution. Eusebio in. Number 23 out. Lima ang kalamangan ng mga taga-pinagtipunan. Number 13. Foul. Foul by number 8. Time remaining 7 minutes and 43 seconds. 7:43. No good. Rebound. No good pa rin. Outlet pass to number 19. Number 19. Number 19 pull up. Short. Rebound by number 1. Steal by number 19. Shot fake. Ganda ng pasa. 2 points para kay number 19. Baba sa 3 ang inahabol ng mga taga-happy house. Number 1. To number 13. Posas. Shot clock 14. 7 minutes. Foul. Foul by number 30. Substitution. Substitution. Time remaining 6 minutes and 56 seconds. Baba sa 3 ang inahabol ng mga taga-happy house. Pass to number 03. Open. Pass to number 19. No good. Rebound by number 08. Pull up. 2 points. Isa na lang po ang kalamangan ng mga taga-pinagtipunan. Same ball. Pass to number 12. Pass to number 15. 3 points para number 15. Balik sa 4 ang hinahabol. 6 minutes. Number 29. 3 points para number 29. Baba sa isa ang hinahabol ng mga taga-happy house. Number 15 to number 14. Shot clock 14. Pass to number 4. No good. Rebound by number 8. Pass to number 19. Number 19. No good. Rebound by number 29. 2 points. Change favor. Change favor. Time out. Foul. Foul by number 19. Back to the ball game. Pass to number 30. Okay, napakaganda ng laban. Number 1, 3 points! mga taga-Pinagtipunan. 5 minuto. Foul! Foul by number 12. Shooting 2 para kay number 3. Maitabla kaya ni number 3? No good ang free throw para kay number 3. Second throw para kay number 3. Ayun, pasok ang pangalawa, isa na lang. Baba ulit sa isa. Napakaganda ng laban. Number 1. Same ball. Substitution. Napakaganda naman ang laban na to. Number 12. Nocon. Number 12 floater. 2 points. Para kay Nocon. Ito na si number 19. Number 19. Pass to number 08. Pass to number 28. 2 points para kay number 28. Baba sa isa. 4 na minuto. Para sa ating fourth quarter, number 15. Shot set. Natapit. Steal. Counter steal by number 30. Number 30. 2 points para number 30. Balik sa tatlo. Ito na si number 28. Pass to number 08. Halley-oop. Foul. Foul by number 30. Shooting 2 para kay number 19. Time remaining 3 minutes and 19 seconds. Pasok ang una para kay number 19. 3 minuto, 19 na segundo. Wala ang pangalawa. Rebound by number 12. Pass to Mendoza. Number 1. 2 points. Binit-bit ko. Grabe naman yun. Balik sa 4. Pass to number 29. Number 29. 3 balls. Baba sa isa. Foul. Foul by number 28. Time remaining 2 minutes and 52 seconds. Shot clock 14. No good. Outlet pass to number 8. Number 8. 2 points. Change favor. Lamang na ng isa mga taga-Happy House. Number 1. Same ball. Same ball. Shot clock 14. Shot clock 14. Time remaining 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Number 13, pull up. 2 points. Change favor ulit tayo. Change favor. Number 08. Pass to number 29. No good. Rebound by number 13. Out of bounds. Time remaining 2 minutes and 7 seconds. Steal by number 3. Pass to number 08. Numbers last 2 minutes. Steal by number 12. Pass to number 1. Steal by number 3. Number 3. 2 points. Change favor. Change favor. 1 minute and 40. Foul. Foul. Okay. Foul by number 28. Warning number 28 for Continuous complaining. Warning for penalty. Sa kabila tayo. Warning for penalty. 1 minute and 39. Number 4. Turnover. Time remaining 1 minute and 34 seconds. 1 minute and 34 seconds. Timeout! Napakaganda ng laban. Both teams, warning for penalty. Number 3. Pass to number 29. Number 29. Pass to number 28. Shot clock 14. Ganda ng pasa. 2 points. 1 minute and 20. Steal. Number 19. 2 points. Plus a foul. Pinagpag lang. Okay. Pinagpag lang. 5 lamang ng mga taga-happy house. Ay, kapos. Substitution ba? Hindi. Hindi pinaltan. Okay. Substitution. Papaltan si number 19 at nasaktan. Okay, 1 minute and 9 seconds. Ito na si number 4. Pass to number 1. 1 minute. Sakto, 1 minuto. Shot clock 14. Sakto, 1 minuto.
Next ball, next ball, next ball.
Ayun na, ayun na. Sakto, 1 minuto. Shot clock 14. Okay. Ito na. Number 1, 3 balls! Dalawa na lang. Ay, turnover. 52 seconds, 52. 52 seconds, 52. 52 seconds. Time remaining 52 seconds. 50. 45 seconds. Shot clock 14. 40 seconds. 10 to shoot. Foul.
Bola eh.
Foul by number 29. Number 29. Third personal foul. Penalty. Time remaining 36 seconds. 36. Okay. Napakaganda ng laban ng Angamoy. Okay. Dalawang free throw para kay number 15. Pasok na muna. Baba sa isa ang hinahabol ng mga taga-pinagtipunan. Isa na lang po ang hinahabol. 2 for 2. Deadlock po tayo. 35 seconds. Foul. Foul by number 13. Time remaining 32 seconds. Penalty. Okay, 32 seconds. 32 seconds tayo. 2 shot para kay number 08. Ay, pasok din. Haba. Balik sa kanila ang kalamangan. Two for 2 din. Para balik ang dalawa sa kalamangan. 30 seconds. Number 4, floater, 2 points. Napakaganda ng laban na to. $20 seconds. Ang laban na to. 6 na segundo. Foul by number 12. 5 segundo natitira. 5 segundo po. 2 shot para kay number 8. Meron o wala? Meron o wala? Meron. Dalawa na po. Eto na uli. Meron o wala? 5 segundo. 2 for 2.